Should I say try to do it or try doing it? Usually, we use try to verb when we are not sure if something will be successful. Often, this is because something is difficult and we know that we might not be able to do it. For example, I'm going to try to get up early tomorrow. I'm going to set my alarm for 4 a.m., but I know that when it goes off, I might just turn it off and go back to sleep. Basically, I know that I might not be successful, or I know that I might not be able to do it. We usually use try verb ing when we are either suggesting a solution to a problem or saying that we want to try something new to see if it works or to see how it feels. For example, if you tell someone that you need help fixing your computer, they might say, try turning it off and then turning it back on. That does not mean that they think you might not be able to do that. What it means is do that and see if it helps, or see if that fixes the problem. Or if we say, I want to try making this recipe with more sugar, that means I know that I can make this recipe with more sugar, and I'm going to because I want to see how it will taste. So basically, we use try to verb when we are not sure if someone will be able to do something. We use try verb ing when we are not sure if something will fix a problem, or we're not sure how something will be, or if we will like it.